Come. Groups of 2 for the warm-up. Let's go. Come. 5 minutes warm-up. Come on, let's get into groups. Get into groups of 2. Joseph, hold this. Straight line for me, please, in groups of 2. In groups, I said a straight line in groups of 2. Stop the noise. Christopher, you don't have a partner? No, me. Okay, that's all right. Christopher will partner with me, everybody. Christopher, you and I will be partners. Come and stand right here. What is so funny? Children, this is not a laughing matter. Simple things amuse simple minds. Good afternoon, miss. Miss, you marked number 9 question wrong and it right, miss. It's the right answer may have, miss. So, we're supposed to get additional marks, miss.
Let me see it.
Yes, miss. No, you're not supposed to get any more marks. But miss, the answer they right there, so miss. Where is the working out? Easy question, miss. I may just calculate it in my head, miss. You have to show at least 3 steps of calculation. I don't know how you arrived at that answer. But me just know the answer, so me just put down the answer. What if you copied from somebody else? But miss, me never copy. No, miss, me never copy. I wouldn't know that. Miss, just cool, no, miss.
And this is something I tell all my students.
Miss, just give me the mark, no, miss.
Every student in here have to show the calculation.
Miss, oh yeah, move some, miss. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. But miss,
I should actually subtract some marks off your paper because there are many other questions that you did not do so well on, and I gave you some extra marks.
Miss,
I have a class right now, you see?
Miss, just cool, no, miss. Miss, just cool, no, miss. Yes, I marked the exam, you know. Tell Joseph to start the class. I'll be there shortly. Most persons pass the exam, but the multiple choice wasn't so good. I'm finished marking all the papers, you know. Almost break the globe. Can't teach without that, you know. All right, let's see what else in here now. Make sure that this is the right atlas. All right. Hey, young lad, come and help me take these things up to the classroom. Is one prefect start class already? Can't teach the class without the atlas either. Alright, students, we're going to discuss the first topic. You sure about that? So, check it. Check the second part. Any talking that is going on in here must be me. See, they're number 2, HB pencil. I lie. Oh, sorry. Don't waste the entire exam time focusing on that one question. No, throw me inside the Invigilator exam. Pay attention to the marks allotted to each question.
Extra paper in case I run out of the answer sheet.
Texas Instruments calculators are not allowed for this exam. That you show at least 3 steps of working out.
And 2 little girl on the debating team, yeah, and them.
5 minutes remaining. If you need additional paper, please raise your hand. Thank you. Any talking out of turn can result in your paper being taken away and you will be asked to leave the exam promptly. Keisha Ann Bogle, Jessica Smith, Simone Williams, Julissa Ramgola, Donette Jacobs, Kelissa Brooks, Kelissa Anderson, Kelissa Brown. Stand in this line for me, please. You have to let them line up outside the sun. You can't carry them into the sun. They're going to faint. Did you get all the permission slips? Yes, Miss Monroe. Gary, I didn't get a permission slip from your parents. No, I took care of Gary. I spoke to Gary's mother, so he doesn't need a permission slip. That is not something that's appropriate for you to wear, you know. To dress
moderately. You're hanging around children. And remember, we are using the body system, which is 2 people who are always. You can't just use the body system. You might need to use 3 people and not just 2. Tisha, come and stand in the line right here for me, please. Carrie Ann, sit down. They're wasting time. Yes, Miss Monroe. Danica, go with Carrie Ann to the bathroom. No, you have to let all of them line up and go to the bathroom together. Everyone, if you look, you will see what we refer to as the boy. To stay behind the boy, and that boy is not spelled B-O-Y. It's alright, because you don't know what you're doing. Come, children, come with me, come. Form one line right there, one line right there. We'll go in. Let's go, come. Jacob, I said you don't stay.
Good morning, students. I hope you understand that this is General Assembly. There is to be absolutely no talking. Mrs. Sanders, did you get the confirmation for the visitors? Rest assured that Career Day this year
Will be heavily monitored.
and we will not have a repeat of the disaster that happened last year. Mr. Williams, you remember?
An unruly set of students went into the fire truck and took the fire hose from the fire truck.
Turned on the water from the truck
And flooded the entire auditorium.
What an utter disgrace to the entire school. However, notwithstanding, regardless,
We will still be having Career
from
Day.
3rd form, 4th form to 5th form, all students are expected to be well behaved. Several different careers will be joining us this year. Miss Jamaica World will be coming, as well as the Mayor of Mandeville,
The Honorable Horace Williams.
Dr. Singh could not make it, but we have Dr. Faulkner.
Also,
Senior Superintendent Sangster will be joining us from the police force as well, so no running around like little hooligans.
This is confirmed, right?
Settle down. No talking. Thank you. Detention for anyone who speaks whilst I am speaking.
Go ahead, Mrs. Burton.
After 2, 1, 2, 3.
This how comes Troy get to play Baby Jesus.
Remember to rock from side to side. Because your head too big, Jonathan, and Jesus' head wasn't so big. Now. That's not a very Christ-like thing to say. Let's go to the next song.
Christmas a coming, Christmas a coming,
Not a clothes from me back, me want me llama.
Now stop. Lucian, do you have your Santa costume ready?
I can't find the Santa costume.
Miss, it might be beside my costume, Miss, but Shanake took it up because Lucian eased his body
I did
beside.
not poop on your costume, dear.
Silence! It's a classroom. It's not a marketplace. Keisha, you are no longer playing the recorder.
Why, Miss?
Santa ketchup in a mango tree. After 2, 1, 2, 3.
Santa ketchup in a mango tree. Mango tree.
No. Stop. You must sing this song more lustily and with more vigor.
Yes, Miss.
This is how you sing it. Santa ketchup in the mango tree. Mango tree. Mango tree. Let's go again.
Santa ketchup in a mango tree.
Very good. Very tomorrow we will rehearse again, and you all need to put back your costumes and have them ready for tomorrow.
Yes,
It's
Miss.
a simple task, and simple tasks confuse simple minds. Good.